What is shawarma? Shawarma originated in the Ottoman Empire, modern-day Turkey, in the 18th or 19th century. The word shawarma comes from the Turkish word çevirme, which means turning. Shawarma is seasoned with various spices, including cumin, cardamom, cinnamon, turmeric, and paprika. Some regions also use baharat. It is typically served as a sandwich or wrapped in flatbreads like pita, lufa, or lavash. In the Middle East, garlic sauce, fries, and pickles often accompany chicken shawarma. The type of meat used can affect the garlic sauce served with the sandwich. For chicken shawarma, a famous garlic sauce called toum or toumi is made from garlic, vegetable oil, lemon juice, and either egg white or starch. In contrast, beef shawarma is often served with a tartar sauce made from garlic, tahini, lemon juice, and water. In Israel, most shawarma is made with dark meat turkey, which is commonly served with tahini sauce instead of yogurt for kashrut reasons. It is often garnished with diced tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, pickled vegetables, hummus, garlic mayo, tahini sauce, sumac, or amba mango sauce. Some restaurants also offer additional toppings, such as grilled peppers, eggplant, or French fries. Preparation. The thinly sliced meat is marinated in spices like cumin, paprika, cardamom, and turmeric, then stacked in a cone shape on a rotisserie. The meat is slowly cooked for hours, and the surface is shaved off and served. This version is not that except for the spices. Commercial Shawarma Spice, rubs versus homemade dot. I have crafted my unique spice rubs specifically for shawarma and many various aromatics and flavors to enhance the dish. However, the commercially available products are lovely. High-quality commercial spice rubs are convenient and easily accessible on platforms like Amazon. My personal favorite is the one highlighted in the video. I will include a link in the description to check it out for yourself. How to serve. Shawarma is typically served in a pita or flatbread with fresh vegetables and sauces like tahini, tzatziki, hummus, or beet hummus. And this case. I also used red pepper sauce and Israeli salad. Variations. Shawarma can be made with various types of meat, including lamb, chicken, beef, turkey, veal, or falafel. At home, you can do this. Using a large skillet or cast iron grill pan, you can make shawarma at home without a rotisserie. This version, the version shown in the video, was processed using SOUS-VIDE. Boneless chicken thighs were cooked at 145 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 hours, while lamb chunks were processed at 133 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 hours. The beef Wagyu flat iron steaks were also cooked at 133 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 hours. I processed the proteins 1 week earlier and heated them through before grilling. Please check the description for many links.